my god. Jesus, man. Guys, it happened. This is the biggest nightmare, and it just happened. God damn it. Oh, no way. We are doing it, guys. Damn, this thing is cool. Today we are going to find out if the G4 is actually waterproof or not. We are going to tear it apart. I'm really curious to see if the water did any kind of damage to the battery or the controller. So yeah, we should get started, right? Here you have the very loved G4. This scooter went through a lot. I'm telling you guys, it is the fastest scooter I have so far. Let me know if you would also like to have a look inside the G2 Master, because I've heard a lot of things about it. Let's get started, shall we? Let's see, what are we dealing with? Wow, this is a plus? No way. So you're telling me anyone with a plus screwdriver could open this up? I don't know what to say about that. Anyway, let's start opening it. First screw is out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. Oh no, this thing is so fragile. Be careful, guys. It rips apart really easy. God damn it. I'm really nervous. I don't know what to expect to see inside of it. What are my expectations? I'm expecting to see a little bit of water and some damage, because I washed it with some pressurized water in the past. But in the same time, what if water didn't get in? Here goes nothing. Oh man, I'm so nervous. What's it gonna be inside? What are we going to find here? I really hope it got no damage whatsoever. It's happening, guys. We are opening it. I'm going to take this cover off. Oh man, I'm nervous. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, everything looks pretty okay so far. What do we've got here? We have the battery, that's obvious. Damn, those wires are thick. Here you have the controller, and looks like there is no... Oh no, man, this is not okay. Guys, it happened. This is the biggest nightmare, and it just happened. I don't know if you can see it, but there is some rust. Can you see that? That is goddamn rust. So apparently water got in. But how? It has some sealing going on around the wires right here and also here. So take care of that. But man, don't wash this thing with pressurized water, I'm telling you. One big plus though is that looks like the battery is well sealed. It has this plastic cover. This is pretty much it. I think this is a fuse or something. I just can't open it. Come on, open. That's what I'm saying. Yep, this is a fuse right here. One weird thing that I'm seeing here though, it says 1200 watts. What do you mean? The scooter is supposed to be 2000 watts. Maybe the BMS allows 2000 watts peak, and then it can only do 1200 watts continuously. That's the only explanation I have. Here you have the model, the voltage, capacity, and the power. It looks like you can't charge this thing with more than 3 amps. We have the face wires. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No way. Those 2 wires are charging this huge battery right here. They are so tiny. Okay. At least those power wires are thick. I will come back and also have a look at the voltage of this battery. I want to see how much voltage it has in idle. They say 60 volts. I believe this battery has way more than 60 volts. Okay, so we are back home right now, and I charged the scooter. Now it is 100% charged, and I got my multimeter. So let's find out what is the exact voltage of this thing. Oh, I just took the cover off. I just have to disconnect the battery real quick. Now, the moment of truth. Whoa. That's 68 volts right there. So this means this scooter has almost 70 volts. Wow. Well, that's a lot of voltage. It is way more than 60 volts. I mean, on the battery it says that it has 60 volts, and it actually has 68 volts. Almost 69. Now we know. Well, apparently batteries have way more voltage than they say. 52 volt batteries have like 59 volts, and 60 volts battery have like 69 volts. So I think there is a matter of being fully charged or not being fully charged. Oh my god. Oh man, that doesn't look well. God damn it, that's a lot of rust. Taking off the battery was a really good idea. Now we know. So water can actually get in. Jesus, man. Meanwhile, I tried to clean the rust as much as possible with a wet napkin. I know that's not the best way possible to do it. I don't usually clean rust, and I really hope no more rust will get on it. This is such a big scooter, and they have these huge empty space right here. I mean, man, you could fit a bigger battery in here if you want. I think upgrading those stock screws to imbus ones would increase the security on it. Also, you could value that free space you have next to the battery. You could install an alarm system on it or something like that, so whenever somebody is touching it, you will know. This is the first time I open a scooter. I think you can actually make a better ceiling for this scooter. I mean, I believe water can get only through the screw hole or through those little gaps from the wires, so that's pretty much it. I guess we have to put everything together, shall we? Oh, man, this thing is heavy. That should be it. Let's put the screws back. Let's see if it turns on. Yep, it's still working. Damn. I'm really glad that I didn't destroy it. I have a special ability to just easily destroy things. That's not really fun. I guess we are just going to take this big boy. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That felt dangerous. I don't know how to wheelie these things. That would have been such a nice skill to have. Yeah. I got used with my bike, and now it feels kind of weird to be again on a scooter. God damn it. What's wrong with these people? They are not aware of anything. Do you ever have the feeling that the entire world is against you and you're trying your best to fix everything? It is just that everything is not going as intended. I guess it's just a common problem. It's just weird to face it every day. Imagine this scooter with dual everything, dual motors, dual battery, double the power, man. That will be absolutely crazy. But the really important thing about it, if you don't have good enough braking, you can go fast, but at what cost? The suspension is working perfectly on it. If you want to make the G3 Pro or the G2 Master as smooth as this scooter, you will have to get street tires and install them. That's a little bit challenging, but I have a video of how to do that. To be honest with you, I was expecting some rust and some damage on it, but apparently under the battery, a lot of water gets in and it's getting trapped there. And I don't really know how is water getting out of there. Man, this guy knows how to wheelie. Yo, this guy is going fast. Let's follow him. Yo, he's doing such a nice wheelie. Man, this guy is going so fast. Bro, let's chase him. What scooter is he riding? Oh, no way. That guy was awesome. I love to see so many scooters on the street. My honest advice, guys, if you own the Kukirin G4, don't ever take it out in rain conditions. Don't wash it with pressurized water. Just keep it dry. You saw with your eyes what can happen. That's not good, man. The funny thing is that I don't even know how to remove that rust. If you know how to remove rust from the scooter, just let me know in the comments. I really don't know how to do that. But on the other hand, if you own the G4, you know that this scooter rips on the street. I was surprised to see how small the battery is inside it. But hey, 69 volts and all that, that's awesome. For sure, this scooter doesn't pick up speed that fast. But man, you can easily keep up with the traffic. It is fast enough for that. Let's have a quick top speed test on it. Yeah, my favorite tunnel ahead. Let's go. Okay, so we have 61 kilometers an hour right now. We have a slight slope right here. So we are going 64, 66, 68, 69. Man, that's a lot of speed right there. And that was it. 69 kilometers an hour. It is a bit windy outside, so that's reasonable. Always wear a helmet. Don't kiss a tree at 69 kilometers an hour. You know what? I don't care what anyone says. It has garbage brakes, very bad build quality and all that. Man, I feel good on this scooter. It is comfortable. It has a lot of speed. The wheels are huge. The suspension is clouds. Things can get upgraded. You are creative, so you will find a solution for anything that happens to it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.